Hello everyone, welcome to Pristine Felicity. So today I am back with another problem, a physics problem. So now here I will be discussing the solution to this problem. Firstly, let me go through the formal wording of the question. The question says, a long wire carrying current I lies in a vertical plane. A conductor PQ of mass m starts sliding from rest from the top of smooth vertical parallel conducting rays of negligible resistance. An external resistance R is connected to the rails at the top as shown in this figure. Then choose the correct option. So basically we need to find the terminal velocity and the power. So to solve this problem, firstly we have to calculate the EMF induced in the rod PQ. So we know that EMF E can be written as equal to BVL, and here B is, that is the magnetic field, can be given by mu naught I by 2 pi r, because it is said it is a long wire, so we can take it to be an infinitely long wire and use the formula B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. So we will get E is equal to integration of A to B mu naught I by 2 pi r into V, that is the velocity, into dr. So on integrating we will get mu naught I by 2 pi into V dr by r A to B. So the integration of dr by r is ln r. So we will get mu naught IV by 2 pi ln r A to B. So if we put the values, we will finally get E is equal to mu naught IV by 2 pi into ln A by B by A. Now we have to calculate the induced current, and we know I is equal to E by R. So we can put the value of E, that is mu naught IV by 2 pi ln B by A into 1 by R. Now finally we have to calculate the force acting on this rod, and we know F is equal to BIL, and here we know that B, that is the magnetic field, is mu naught I by 2 pi r, and I, as we have calculated above, we can put the value later on. We can just write I over here, and L is dr, so we need to integrate it from A to B, and then we will get mu naught I by 2 pi into I integration of A to B dr by r. So we know integration of dr by r is ln r, and on putting the limits we will just get mu naught I by 2 pi I ln B by A. Now let us put the value of I as calculated here. So we will finally get F is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi ln B by A whole square into V by R. Now, as you can see from the diagram, the terminal velocity will be achieved when F is equal to mg. Now let us put the value of F, that is mu naught I by 2 pi ln B by A whole square into V by R, that is equal to mg. So we can calculate the value of V, that is terminal velocity, as V terminal is equal to mgr by mu naught I by 2 pi ln B by A whole square. So if you check from the options, this is option A, so we get option A as one of the correct options. Next we have to calculate the power developed in the resistor after the terminal velocity is attained. We know that power is equal to force into velocity. So here force is mg and velocity is v terminal, because after the terminal velocity is attained it will just remain in terminal velocity. So power is mg into vt, and vt we have calculated here. Just putting the value, we will get power is equal to m square g square r by mu naught I by 2 pi ln B by A whole square. On checking the option, we will get that this is option C. So that is another correct option. So finally, the answer to this question is option A and C. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and also make sure to watch the video of this series. I have also posted one yesterday. If you haven't watched it yet, then go watch it now. And also join to our Telegram channel. I share these questions a day earlier so that you get enough time to solve this question.